study of religion and God, I think. Well, maybe not God, I think it's just the study of religion. Oh, so it's the study of God. Maybe.
Study of. Okay. What else? Let me hear.
And also included in that, the study of belief systems.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else?
I think very much like our hip hop culture is the study of identity and culture. And
Okay.
I don't know if that.
Tell me, what type of identity? Study of.
I think it's multiple identity. And I think of the identity of
Oh.
what? Oh, congregational. Okay. Maybe, yeah.
Okay. In theology is theo plus logos, the study of the Word of God. Not literally, but literally. You get what I'm saying? Okay. The Word of the gods. Theology is primarily a Protestant term, so you don't usually have Muslim theology, okay? Or, Islam. You talk about Islamic faith, but you don't necessarily say theology, although people use the term theology, but it's heavily aligned with Protestantism, Christianity. I am using the term, I'm giving some compromise, some room, some flexibility to the term when I say in the culture of people in religious bodies. So I'm thinking temple, I'm thinking synagogue, I'm thinking church, all of that, okay? Even though the term doesn't necessarily fit those religious faiths and has a history in Christianity. Ann, is that right?
That's right, Dr. Phillips.
All right.
Amen.
Amen. Okay. One who is talking about the gods. All right? That's theology. Can you give me some kind of principles, theological principles, like other than the Bible? Yes, but like what does the Bible, what are the virtues, what are the values that the Bible, huh?
Faith.
Okay, like love, okay.
What are the rest of the fruits of the Spirit? Kindness, goodness, faith.
Okay, there you go.
Gentleness, self-control.
Okay.
Joy, peace, and patience.
Okay,
That was good, man. Back in when I was in
love, what else? Kindness.
Joy. Yeah, joy.
Okay, but what else are theological principles? Sin.
Yes.
Okay.
Salvation.
Evil. Heaven.
Salvation.
Hell. Salvation.
Is redemption the same thing as salvation?
No.
That's sticky.
Okay, can I say something? Technically, it's technically different, okay? But for your purposes, it's the same. Okay? People use it interchangeably, but it has a little different definition, okay, than salvation. So I'm not going to hang you up on the technicality. So I'll say yes, but I'm going to put it down as a separate word. Okay? sorry, say it again.
Like loyalty or fidelity to God, or like the opposite of idolatry, like.
Okay. Idolatry.
Or like monotheism, is that kind of what you mean? Like only worshiping one God?
No, we got it. What I'm asking you, you gave me fruits of the Spirit. Now, I allow that, but I'm really asking you concepts that come up in the Bible. Okay. Huh? Yes, that's a concept too. Okay. All right. The reason why I'm asking you that is when you look at the lyrics, I'm going to be asking you to talk to me about the theology.
Forgiveness?
That you forgiveness. Loyalty. Mercy. Grace.
That's a little bit.
Okay. So I'm asking you, so let me just put theological concepts here. Okay. All right. So you guys are so early in the program. I think my colleagues who do theology, but I started you off. How about that? Theodicy. What's theodicy?
It's justifying God in the midst of all cruelty in the world.
I love that. What does it mean? I mean, I love, you said it.
Okay.
Yes. Justifying, vindicating, God in spite of human cruelty. But what does that mean for your colleagues? What does that mean? Tell me.
Can I?
Yeah.
To me, it's not
Like break it down.
To me, it's not only human cruelty, it's world cruelty. I mean, it could be any type of cruelty. To me, it's immorality, disaster.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
pain.
Okay. In spite of human cruelty and the brokenness of the world. Okay? Is that fair? The brokenness of the world.
Can you give an example of that, just to help me understand, please?
Does anyone have an example?
I have an example.
Okay, go ahead.
Maybe a little more extreme than some examples, but definitely in America when 9/11 happened, I think theodicy was very much in play. So how do you justify God? Where is God in a situation like 9/11?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Slavery.
Slavery.
So is it kind of like why we go that bad things happen and we try and argue?
Yeah. Why do bad things happen to good people?
Why do bad things happen to good people? But theodicy is the reason why I bring it up. When she says justify or vindicating, you're defending God
You're defending his omnibenevolence.
and God's nature.
So if we said why do bad things happen to good people, you would say like free will
Why
and
does
things
God-
like that. Like God gave us free will.
Yes,
It's
then
kind
you
of
get-
arguing against it almost.
Right, so then you go into those types of discussions and arguments, and so people, when they talk about theodicy, I think those were excellent practical examples. Why did September 11th happen?
It could also be very small. It could be,
Yeah.
why do I get cancer?
Yes.
I've done good things in this world. Why am I?
Right, which is small but huge.
Yes.
You know, why did a parent leave a 2-year-old in a car for an entire day? Why would God allow that to happen? Well, and